Hey everyone! If you're tired of those pesky blackheads and want to tackle them naturally, you've clicked on the right video. Today, I'm sharing some effective and natural blackhead removal tips that you need to try. So let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about the power of steam. Steaming your face is a fantastic way to open up your pores and loosen up those stubborn blackheads. Simply boil some water, pour it into a bowl, and let your face hover over the steam for about 10 minutes. Just make sure to keep a safe distance to avoid burning your skin. After steaming, gently use a cum-done extractor or clean fingers to press out the blackheads. Next, let's get into a DIY exfoliating scrub. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with 2 tablespoons of water to create a paste. Gently massage this mixture onto your face in circular motions for about a minute, then rinse off with warm water. Baking soda helps to exfoliate the skin and remove dead skin cells that can clog pores. But remember, don't overdo it. Once or twice a week is plenty. Another amazing natural remedy is a honey and cinnamon mask. Honey is a natural antibacterial agent, and cinnamon improves blood circulation. Mix 1 tablespoon of honey with half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Apply this mixture to your face and leave it on for about 15 minutes before rinsing off. This combo not only helps to remove blackheads, but also leaves your skin feeling soft and smooth. Moving on to a lesser-known but super effective method: green tea. Brew some green tea, let it cool, and use a cotton ball to apply it to your face. Green tea is packed with antioxidants that help reduce oil production and inflammation, which are key contributors to blackheads. Leave it on for about 10 minutes, then rinse with cool water. Lastly, don't forget the importance of regular cleansing and moisturizing. Using a gentle facial cleanser twice a day helps keep your pores clean and free from buildup. Follow up with a lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated without clogging your pores. And there you have it. Natural blackhead removal tips you can try right at home. Remember, consistency is key, so make these tips part of your regular skincare routine for the best results. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more skincare tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!